customer came, he said he can't charge his phone. The cable is not going in. And he said, let me look at it. Can you guess why? Look at that. How it is going to go in? It's not. Let's clean these holes. See what is in there. Look at that. He said he had been charging with the wireless charger. Of course. How are you gonna charge your phone with this? It's like the woman purse. A little bit of everything. And you can't find anything. There are more inside. And I don't know what that is. It's going in now. And this is what came out. Phone turned on. Clean the port and speakers. It's charging too. It's good to go.